Look how happy I am. I'm just loving it. Alright. So this is going to be the happiest I'm going to look. Cut back in about 10k.
Do you want to cut to you being miserable now? What's up, darling?
I'm in my tent.
Like last day crying.
I'm going to try now not to be miserable.
Just think, at this moment in time, you've got no blisters.
No blisters?
Zero blisters.
I've got proper insoles now. So.
Nah, I'm gonna make sure they blister. Yeah.
You're like a juice thing.
Okay, really quickly, let me just explain what's going on. So here is the Lady District, and we are here, and we want to end up all the way down here. So the next 3 days, we're gonna be walking and camping all the way through the lakes to get to the bottom, and probably end up in a pub.
Stop this! I'm trying to conserve energy.
All 26k today to this. All 26k, come on.
Pack it in now.
Yeah, you pack it in.
Pack it in.
Yeah, you pack it in. Tell him, pack it in.
Pack it in.
Pack it in.
Pack it in.
Gee up. You're letting us all down.
Right.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I've wrapped my nail around my leg. Yeah, that was definitely a 9. Not as bad as my 2007 nail. Not as bad as that, but whew.
Let me guess.
There's cows again.
Walking up that.
I actually think we are.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, we are. Yeah.
Higgins, you know if a cow chases you again,
Yeah.
have you learned to climb a fence?
No.
Yeah?
You know, next time you need a shit,
Yeah?
and I ask for you 3 times,
Yeah?
you can just shit yourself in future.
You'd always ask me because you love me.
Yeah, but he would shit himself and be happy about it.
Yeah. And it'd be your fault and I tell Jebby. I'll tell Jebby.
In all seriousness, is that the hill? The route?
I mean, so far the route looks like it goes that way. What did it say today? 1,000 metres climbing.
That could be most of the climb today then.
Yeah.
Get it out of the way.
Stop kicking off, will you?
Big hill.
Oh. I'm sweating. I'm sweating. It's a bit close, that, mate, if I'm honest.
Is it?
Don't really like that.
Okay.
Right.
Wasp cam, wasp cam, wasp cam. So what's done to Tabasco?
Oh, comes over here and goes, oh, Tabasco. Oh, wait, there's a spunking cock there as well.
Oh, nice. Oh, yeah.
And there, I do miss all these cocks.
That vagina.
Nice little pickle.
So is that really
Pick me up. It's actually just a shame.
No, but...
And Joe, lead the way, love.
Honeybees. Mate, if I was a bear, I'd be strutting that.
You would, wouldn't you? Are you there?
Yeah? Build a bear. Nice and cool now. I want to live in that stream.
Not cups or anything. I just turn the tap on and...
Yeah, I think I need to say.
Filming, mate. Sweat can.
Sweat cancer.
There we go. Not sweat. Yeah.
There's like 14 cookies in your side.
Yeah, because it's faster, you fucking docile prick.
Whoa! That was awful. I'm going to play that back to Megan and Jess and get you done.
Does it record?
Yeah. Sorry.
Sorry. This is still going to play it back in. She's chucking now, boys. She's chucking.
I'm going to share it lemon.
What?
Me, share it lemon. What mountain's that then, Dean?
I've got no idea, mate.
Mount Boy.
Oh.
Just get the one bit out of the way first.
Yeah, once you get that warm bit out.
Yeah, right, I've just had a cup of tea and then a nice cold glass of water. Right, sad bit.
Yep.
We won the pole.
But so many flies around here. Like a tiny bit of a thing on my foot.
Okay.
A bit irritating, but I think it's okay for now.
I think I'm on a 5.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. I think a 5. 5's pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Danny?
A 9.
A 9. Yeah. He's sad. They're dead.
This looks very sad.
Yeah.
Very up. Very sad.
You want my opinion, Dave?
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh, no.
Probably I thought I might need a defib halfway up that.
No, yeah. Not kidding, pal.
The one that peaks definitely harder because we're done like 30 odd fucking K, aren't we?
Yeah, fatigue wise, bro.
I mean, you know it's bad when Joe gets to top it all and goes, that it was dirty.
Yeah.
So we're going left.
Okay.
Oh,
But then we're quitting left. Going down there.
that's all right. That must have been a solid kilometre uphill.
I think it was. It's just the bits where I'm like, the only way to go this is my hands and knees.
And you went, again, going underneath, it's amazing. Sorry.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Compared to the Peak District, the mountains are more pointy, aren't they?
Yeah, sharpened. God came around with a pencil sharpener and just the top. That was awful, that. At first it was like a bit of fun, like running down, then I was like, is this ever going to end?
No.
It didn't feel like it. I saw like a bit of a path over there. I'm guessing we go up over here, then it'd be joined on that little path that takes us into there, you know. I mean, knees for me. That's what gets me. What's up, darling?
I'm only in my tent.
We're gonna soon. Don't you worry, my little angel.
Should be at 8K there.
Yeah, we're getting there. I said 8-ish. Come on. Fuck, hello.
Ah.
The only worrying thing is, which bit of that we're going up tomorrow. But It's less metres tomorrow than it was today. It's less metres tomorrow than it was today, isn't it? Yeah, so...
Fucking hell.
Yeah. These 10.
Get yourself in there, mate.
Go in. Self in. Everything's a sad tent. Well, my tent. Okay, that is day 1 done. Hopefully I'll see you in day 2. And if you've made it this far in the video, please do like, subscribe or comment. It is a massive, massive help. And I will see you in the next one. See you later.